In this video, I'm going to show you how to backtest on Sierra chart. Um, whether you're testing an automated system or manual traders or cheats, Sierra makes it simple with its built-in replay tools. So first, make sure you launch your Sierra chart and already log in your credentials. Now, open your chart. So if you want to backtest on, but since this is a new chart, we don't have a chart visual yet. So now, in order to open a chart in here, let's open a chart or symbol, and yeah, click the open intraday chart. And as you can see, we don't have a chart visual right now, so assumingly we have. And then click the charts and the chart settings, and then in here, look for the use number of days to load and set it accordingly. So after that, make sure your trade simulation mode is on, so you can found that onto the trade section, and then this lets you place simulated orders and run tests without using a lab account. So now, to use chart to play, go to the chart and then search for the replay chart. So this is the replay chart, and then click the replay chart with the control panel. So this will appear at the bottom of your screen. So click on this, and here you can choose a specific date and time to start the backtest. So you can click the play and watch the market unfold just like it did in real time. So you can pause, speed up, or slow down the playback as needed. So yeah, so with this chart replay running, you can begin placing trades using the trading DOM or chart trading panel. You can use buy and sell buttons to simulate entries and exits, and then your result will appear in the trade activity log for review. So if you have a study-based system or automated strategy set up, you can run it with the replay mode too. Just make sure the study is applied and then let it play out and analyze the outcome afterward. And that's how you backtest your trades on Sierra chart. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.